you're probably making more money than you were a year ago, and maybe even more than you actually expected. So why does it still feel like nothing has actually changed? You see, a lot of people make the mistake of eating away at the gap. And that is the difference between your income and your expenses. And because they spend their whole working years eating away at the gap, they find themselves at the end not having anything to show for their hard work. I'm Abdul, and I spent 6 years working as an investment advisor, helping individuals build investment portfolios and working with some of the top asset management companies in the country. And what I saw over and over is that individuals that do well with money don't just have a system in place, but they think about money differently. And this is not the surface level stuff. We go into the root cause. Why lifestyle inflation happens, why you can't close the gap, why delayed gratification feels impossible even when you know better, and what to do about it. Don't get me wrong. We cover the mechanics too. We cover the investing, we cover the budgeting, we cover the portfolio building, but we start with the things everyone skips. So subscribe if you want to understand how money actually works.